UniverseBeyond 专注国际留学升学辅导。
在这一章我们就会认到圆的一些东西，它的半径啊，它的直径啊，它的面积啊，还有包括一些弧啊，就是咱们之前经常遇到什么 arc 什么 chord sector， 咱们这一章通通都会学。就是说具体的是咱们之前可能还是在代数，就是 statistics， 咱们现在呢就完全过渡到就是说 geometry 这个。geometry 是什么呢？就是它以前咱们是算术占 90%， 包括就是说咱们之前做那个圆儿，咱们画坐标系，咱们画圆儿，其实都是为了辅助咱们来算数，对不对？但是从这一章，在这一章里边，咱们的主体是图形，就是它图形是咱们的主体，咱们要做的就是去识别它的图形的哪一部分，真正的就是说过渡到 geometry 的这一部分。好，那咱们就开始。好。Radians. Okay. Let's say this circle, and R is a radians. R is a radians, and 1 rad is radian. Angle AOB is 1 radian. So,
什么意思呀？
radian is the same with pi. Pi equal to 3.14. So pi is 3.14 radian. And we have pi or 1 just a radian match with angle degree. We'll see pi is 180. 1 is, so how to calculate 1 radian? The degree of 1 radian. We know pi is 180. So,
那派分之180。
we just said x, right? Pi divided by 1 equal to by x. So x equal to divided by pi. And for another question, if we know the degree is 73 degree, so how to calculate the matching radian? This one. Similarly, we just said y. Pi divided by y equal to 180 divided by 73. And then we calculate y equal to times pi divided by 180. So in the future, if you are facing the question, just you want to calculate the degree for radian or a radian for a degree, you just write down pi and 180, and then if you want to calculate the radian, you just add x. If you want to calculate the degree, you set x. And then you have this equation, you will calculate the x and the y. So it's very important to write down this one. Pi, matching pi with 180. Okay, so 1 radian is sometimes written as 1 rad, but often not symbol at all is used for angles measured in radians. Okay, and arc. This is arc. AB, equal in length to a radius over a circle, subtends an angle 1 radian at the center. If the angle is 1 radian, the length of AB, arc AB, will be the radius R. So, length of AB is R if AOB is 1 radian, or if we have calculated 180 divided by pi degree. Remember it. 1 radian is a radius. So 2 pi radians 360, pi radians 180. Make sense?
Mm.
So from this slide, we just learned radian and arc. And 1 radian at the center, the angle of 1 radian at the center will matching the radius of the arc. The length of the arc will be the width. And 2 pi is 360, pi is 180. Many things in this slide. Okay. And converting from degrees to radians, similar from the last slide. Okay, since 180 is pi, 90 is pi over 2, 45 is pi over 4 is 0. Switching from degree to radians, multiplied by pi divided by 100. And for these special degrees, 1, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, 360. There are some typical degrees between 1 and 360 degrees. So it's very important to remember the radians for these degrees. Okay, and this sentence just asks you to multiply with pi divided by 180. But I don't think it's very important. It's necessary. It's better to write pi matching with 180. It's a better way to calculate the degrees and the radians, because it's very easy to forget it. And you will in a mess with pi divided by 180 and 180 divided by pi. It's very easy to forget these two formulas. So you just write down pi 180, and then if you want to calculate which one, you just set down the x for which one. X is very easy. But if you want to directly remember it and multiply by this factor, it's very easy to mess them up. Okay, and converting from radians to degrees, pi 180, 6 over pi over 6, 30, pi over 10, 18. Okay, so for these radians, just remember their degrees. And 1 radian is 1 multiplied by 180 divided by pi. Just around 57 degrees.
这个是怎么来的呀？
Divided by 3.14. So 180 divided by 3.14, just around 57. Make sense? Degrees and radians.